Hi everyone, Steve with Danner Manufacturing. I'd like to tell you all about Danner products and show you them installed in a pond. Danner Manufacturing has been around since 1934. We are a third generation company and we specialize in mag drive pumps, high drive pumps, pressurized filters, ultraviolet clarifiers, pond supplies, pond nets, fish food. Danner Manufacturing is located on beautiful Long Island, headquartered in Islandia, New York. This particular pond is running a 4,000 GPH high drive with a PUV 4000 pressurized filter, and we have a 950 pond mag hooked up to a 20-watt UV clarifier. Danner is an American manufacturer, and we do all our own engineering and designing right here in New York. All of our electrical products are either UL, ETL, or CSA approved. Mag drive pumps are rated up to 3,600 gallons per hour. Our high drive pumps are rated up to 7,600 gallons per hour. We have a series of high flow submersible pumps that are rated up to 7,200 gallons per hour and have a head height of 44 feet. We have some innovative products being the app-controlled LED spillways. They come in 12-inch wide, 24-inch wide, and 36-inch wide sizes. We've also introduced a line of indoor tabletop fountains. When you call Danner Manufacturing with a customer service or tech support inquiry, the phone will sure to be answered by a person. You'll talk to a customer service representative every time you call. You can visit our website and see all these products and everything else that Danner manufactures at www.dannermfg.com. We'll see you there. Thanks.